one. Cells are what every living thing is made up of, basically.
Hey, here's a cool idea. How about we compare cells to this ice cream shop?
That's a great idea. It will make it easier for her to understand, because both use energy consumption, waste management, and even other production.
So, well, you see, a cell would be like this ice cream shop because it has a cytoskeleton like the walls of this ice cream shop. I mean, it holds everything together and gives it its shape.
Moving into the cell, let's imagine the store as a cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what comes in and what comes out. Usually what comes in is the good stuff, and it blocks the bad stuff from coming.
Alright, so I got all of that. That brings us into the cell now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Right. Inside the cell is called the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm holds everything together in the cell, kind of like gravity. Gravity holds everything in its place. And it's just like the cytoplasm. Okay, I get it. Okay, so where would like the vacuole and the Golgi body be? Aren't they like inside the nucleus? Oh, well, you see, those are like called organelles. The nucleus, the vacuole, and the Golgi body, and the mitochondria are each separate organelles. None of those are in the nucleus, but they're in the cell. Okay. Alright, so where are the different organelles and how do they even work?
Well, the nucleus is the control center of the cell. It's the most important. It holds the DNA. It tells the cell what to do. It makes sure that everything is done quickly and right. Kind of like our manager.
Another organelle in the cell is mitochondria. Mitochondria is what gives the cell energy. So think, what gives this ice cream shop cell energy? Energy. Electricity. Without the power, we could not run our successful ice cream business. Oh, okay, that makes so much more sense. Now I know exactly what I was confused. So how about those lysosomes? Don't they go hand in hand with like the Golgi bodies or something like that?
It's not the Golgi bodies. It's more like the vacuole. Lysosomes are kind of like our trash people. They take the empty cartons, break it down, and then they put it outside in the trash can. The vacuoles are partly the trash can. The vacuoles store waste and water. They're bigger in plant cells and really tiny now.
I got it now. So the lysosomes go hand in hand with the vacuole, not the Golgi bodies. Silly me. Speaking of organelles that go hand in hand, another dynamic duo is the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short, and ribosomes. The ER carries items throughout. This is the place where ribosomes make protein. The ER would be the ice cream bar right here, and the ribosomes would be the ice cream bowls, because the ice cream scoops are made out of the ice cream bar. Okay, makes sense.
Now I have the Golgi body. The Golgi body packs up the proteins and sends it out, kind of like our ice cream delivery.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. That covers like everything, right? I'm all done. Well, wrong. In plant cells, they have something called chloroplast. Chloroplast uses energy source to help the cell produce products. Well, we already know our energy source, the mitochondria, is electricity. Electricity powers the freezer. The freezer is like chloroplast because it makes its own ice to provide for the cell. Okay, so now that's it? That's all?
Yeah, actually. Now, do you mind recapping what you learned today?
Not at all. Well, the cell membrane is like the door because it lets things in and out, and good things in and bad things out. And the nucleus is like the manager because it controls all the things going on in the cell and tells it what to do. The cytoplasm is like the air all around us, or like gravity because it holds everything in place. The mitochondria is like electricity because it gives energy to everything. Lysosomes are like the garbage bin. They take all the bad stuff out. So they break down all the cell waste.
Good.
Vacuoles go hand in hand with lysosomes because they're like trash cans. That's perfect. You were sure to pass the test this time.
I know. Wow, you've come such a long way.
Man, I'm so glad you guys work here.
Oh, but I don't work here. I just like giving lectures on cells.
Maybe you should leave now.
Good idea.
Well, that was, interesting. I definitely agree. Oh yeah, and I wonder why our best customer, Brennan Newell, didn't come in today.
Oh, by the way, census are closed.
Oh! Hi.
Alright.
Is that Brennan Newell?
Yes. Matt?
I guess he found his way here even though it was closed.
Basically, it's the control center of the cell. It's energy.